Introduction. One of hardship, dust, the clamor of machinery. But if we stop now, we miss a world brimming with color, a symphony of emotion. Construction, at its core, is not merely a job of muscle and this essay will be a voyage into that world. Discover and celebrate the simple yet it does not glitter like the glass of a finished between people, materials, and space. It is present.
Oh, there it goes! There.
Oh my!
Massive beams placed together. It is the joy of formation. Standing majestically against the sky. Let us, for a moment, set aside construction site, look deeply into the hands of the craftsman, and feel a genuine joy and a righteous pride are being built. From idea to form, the most primal and perhaps most intense joy in the construction industry is the joy of creation. It is a miraculous process that transforms thoughts and dreams into minds and endure for generations. This process Project 1.1. The first spark of a dream on paper. Where their children will grow up. It could be an entrepreneur's vision of a modern office, a simple success, or it could be an entire community aspiration, a bridge to connect two shores, erasing separation. Right here. The architect with a pencil in hand is not just drawing lines and curves. They are designing living opening sunlight. Is this hallway wide enough to feel welcoming? Is that these are questions filled with a deep consideration of human beings. The technical drawings with their thousands of every number, every symbol is a detailed guide for the grand journey. They are like silent guardians, using their knowledge. Confidence in knowing that their creation will stand firm, sheltering. Then the groundbreaking ceremony is the moment. Is not just a symbolic act. And a touch of solemnity. People look at the before raising it to the sky. Every completed floor step, every erected wall, is a milestone. They can point out and say, my team did that 15th floor. It is a simple, deeply legitimate work. Joy is not only found in the great project, it resides in the small details. The bricklayer finds joy in laying satisfaction in applying the final coat of render with their trowel. Opening and closing brackets. Every task, no matter how small, contributing to the witness instruction is a unique experience. It is like watching a time-lapse film. Concrete and brick dons a coat of paint and is fitted with lives of glass. Possible. Chapter 2. The Symphony of the Site. The sound of the layout. But for those who are a part of it, it is a living symphony.
I don't believe it, man, but guess what? There it is.
Receive the symphony is also joy, a deep connection to the work. 2.1. A special orchestra and its unique instruments. Imagine the construction site as a grand stage, and every piece of machinery, every worker, is a music. Foundation of the symphony. The sound of hammers driving. Concrete drill is resolute and definitive. A pile driver thumps into the earth with a deep and majestic. A sign of progress, of work being done. The spring section, the high-pitched faint whine of a crane's winch cable as it lifts material skyward is a sound of movement. The sound the grass section, the last of the trucks the roaring engine of excavators and bulldozers create the deep, rich undertones of the music. They are the sounds of most important in the symphony is the human voice. These are not idle conversations. Shout, watch out. Bursts are bursts of laughter and cheerful banter during breaks. The joy here is the joy of harmony. Once a person is accustomed to this environment, they can read this symphony. They hear a teammate's call and instantly understand. Being a part of that very club, contributing one's symphony of the construction site changes with the rhythm of the sun, creating different rhythms throughout the day. The new day begins while the sky is still dim. The air is fresh and the rhythm is still reaching, full of energy and vibration. Energy radiates from every corner. This is when fruits of one's labor appear right before one's eyes. The machines fall silent, replaced and mentally. The joy here perseverance, a silent effort to overcome fatigue and the harsh afternoon sun. Movement 5.
진짜 싫어, 구황.
Adagio slow, stately as the sun sets, the work becomes surprisingly quiet. Only the sound of
오늘 할래.
the joy now is the joy of completion. The peace Chapter 3, Camaraderie. One-person job. It is the pinnacle of cooperation, and it is in the same boat, heading towards the same goal. To complete the project safely, with high quality and the mutual dependence is immense. The bricklayer needs the help of the mixed mortar to the correct
Give me a,
the rebar is placed
give me a, give me a.
crane operator to transport materials safely. Delay the entire project. Conversely, when they do their part, you feel more secure and can focus on Point 2. The language of the site. Camaraderie. The person below knows to send up his praise. The specific whistle can be the signal for everyone to lift a heavy like dancers in a complex routine. Furthermore, more connected. It makes the work environment less stressful and adds an element of fun and friendship. When one worker sees a teammate struggling with a heavy steel bar, another they don't just transfer knowledge, they pass it on. This selfless motivation creates an atmosphere of mutual support, where everyone feels sharing in life. The lunch break is a perfect time to release this camaraderie. They sit together, one person sharing. The joy here is endless. And knowledge there are days when the sun burns like a furnace. In the story, after overcoming a challenge, the joy of victory
I've been playing for 5 months. Not my fault.
from a mere workplace into a second home. It is the invisible.
Dave. Oh, Dave!
And overcoming difficulties that makes the reward all the sweeter. Construction on the site. 4.1.
Hit subscribe to make sure you don't miss any exciting videos.
And constant creativity. Deciphering blueprints. Is a challenge in itself. But the greater challenge arises when inconsistencies are even the master craftsman must come together. It is the joy of the intellect, of winning a difficult puzzle. Reality is always different from the thought. This saying holds true for every science. Perhaps when digging foundation, they discover an underground or a specific material is delivered late, or a sudden storm hits. These situations demand quick thinking. This crisis management process is stressful, but when everything is resolved and the project is back on track, the feeling complex architectural detail. This is these small innovations
Mi primera chamba, me acuerdo el día que de la chamba yo me enamoré.
just an executive, but an innovator. 4.2 carrying heavy materials and standing strength in the muscles. Relaxation of the ocean. It is the joy of suffering. Honest labor of their own sort. It is a very real, very authentic. Challenges from nature. The dialogue of the elements. The construction. Steel absorbs and bottles of cold water past them. They encourage each other. Hang in there, break time is coming. To get through a peaceful day while ensuring safety and progress is a small victory. The sudden rain can disrupt work, create slippery conditions, and damage materials. When rain is imminent, the whole site bustles like an ant colony. Everyone quickly covers cement and steel and secures machinery. The seamless coordination of these urgent days in confronting nature is a special one. It gives one a feeling of health and to adapt to Chapter 5. Beauty in the Raw, the Joy of the But for those in the construction industry, beauty and joy material has its own personality, its own language. A carpenter finds joy in running a hand over a smooth line, even its grain tells the story of the process of turning a rough piece of wood into a fine door frame, a staircase,
Hey man, you can't park there. You can't park there, man.
into a living space. stone. Stone is cold hard. And possesses the stone is cut and polished, transforming a formless boulder into elegant wall. When finished, they feel the solidity and permanence. Mars is cold metal. They see in the late
Gente, misericórdia.
cutting complex frames and rebar cages exactly according to even thousands of people. Concrete has a incredibly strong. The joy of working with concrete. A new, solid, and powerful form emerged. The beauty of honesty. There is a special beauty in the phase when a project is still unfinished, when all its structures and materials are exposed. An unplastered brick wall, with its neat rows of reddish bricks, has a rustic and warm charm. Get to witness this beauty every day. They see like that of a surgeon every organ in the human body. They don't just see the outer shell, they appreciate the internal structure. Everything begins with life. They take pride in themselves, even knowing they will be painted over. They are satisfied. Foundation of silent perfection from inside. Chapter 6. Safety is joy. Building the future. Existence of all other joys. That note is safety. Safety is respect. Adhering to safety. Respect for colleagues. When a worker wears a hard hat and properly uses no one can work joyfully while worrying about the safety of others. Mutual trust, knowing that everyone is consciously their greatest joy is not the money, but a worker can give to their family. The joy here is peace of mind. The At the end of a long day, when the safety manager announces it is the result of the effort, caution, and awareness of the entire team. This joy is not just a emotion, to a positive work culture. Every day. We build them safely. 6 points. New technologies, modern protective equipment.
You don't know me, son?
Cranes with smart warning systems, or robots of seeing human life increasingly valued. Ultimately, safety is the foundation upon which all other joys can sprout and flourish. final chapter of joy. Seeing the fruits of one's labor become a part of the world, serving the community. Handed over is a true celebration. Everything is clean and tidy. In a new light of its true light. The atmosphere of
What is he doing?
a spiritual child with an indescribable power. They might point to a corner. It is a home, a workspace, a place to is the greatest reward. All the hardship and fatigues